dead on shot. Look, you can. This is like
he lost a little height there.
So he's
Did he fall into a hole?
I think the feet are. You can't see the feet.
It looks like a midget.
Well, it looks super wide. That's like the
well, I'm
most.
not arguing.
That's
the
width. That's the. Who said you were? But
well, the legs are short here. What happened?
Well, because the feet are hidden. Then he might have an extra 5 inches of height, but the feet are behind some stuff.
I'm glad you explained that to me.
Well, you asked. I'm telling you.
Well, thank you.
All right, so I want to talk about the guy that Ted Disatil guy, or he has a background. I think he has a background in was it molecular biology, something like that. I don't know, but he has whatever it is. He has to know about DNA, and I find that fascinating.
Do you?
No, I really do. The study of DNA, because it's kind of like you have to know. It's all based on 4 different amino acids, and how those are arranged. You can come up with every single species or every single plant or every single any organism ever developed, and even things that don't even exist. If one of them's out of order, you can have a serious disease, and it's just you could change people's hair color, eye color, and I mean you could even have people grow an extra finger, and it's just based on 4 different amino acids. Yeah, and it's kind of like it's along the lines of chemistry. It's stuff that's tedious to learn, but it's just I would become a mad scientist if I knew all that stuff.
You're not a mad scientist?
No, I am, but I would be even more so.
Raging.
Like Peter Cushing in the Frankenstein movies. But to me, I don't know. Maybe most of what they do for a living is very tedious. But I just would imagine at some point in time, people are going to start. Rogue people are going to start creating their own creatures.
Are you sure they're not doing that now?
They might be doing that now.
I absolutely believe they're doing it now.
Yeah, I think elements of that are now. But
China?
No, but there's this...
North Korea?
There's a very... Well, yeah, exactly. Other countries would be doing that.
Absolutely, they're doing it.
But it's developing. They'll be able to do it easier. And that's my point. That's what we'll talk about in the next episode.